Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 23rd of March and we are now live in New York session over here, so let's get started. So first of all, this is JPY over here, and okay, so finally the market just went all the way up in this area where I was expecting it to go, and it rejected the same area over here. So that area I marked that area in the daily, I think. Yeah, somewhere in daily or weekly. Yeah, in the weekly. Yes. So I marked out this area in the weekly. Sorry. So basically, what happened over here is that let me just go to the monthly and look at the monthly. But before that, let's play some music. Okay. So if we look at the monthly over here, then the monthly has tapped this area of resistance over here where I was expecting it to go, and also it has crossed above that area as well. So today, like we can see that now 8 days remaining for the monthly candle to close, and now I think the monthly candle, the way the momentum GBP is having right now, it can possibly go up to this area, which will be a wick fill for this wick and tapping on these bodies. So obviously if it starts to go up, then it will be going above this area over here, so that will give us around 200 pips of range from the current price. And after the monthly, if we look at the weekly, then weekly is possibly so the current week candle tapped this weekly resistance and it rejected that area of resistance, and now it's retracing back down, right? But what can also happen is that maybe the weekly candle will be filling its own wick in the last few days. So today is Wednesday. Yeah, I think it will go up again to fill its own wick. So we know that. So let's move to the daily now. Now, daily looks quite interesting. So yesterday daily candle closed with no wick on the top. That means there was no the chances of going up. Okay. So this is a support at this point. So this is the support area over here in the daily. Now we have a support over here. Just hold on, everybody. Hmm. Okay, so now we don't need this area over here. I don't know why I marked that area, but and yeah, we need this one and this one. So again we have to look at the left. Now the market has crossed above this wick, right? Now we have this clean range over here as well. So I really think market can possibly go above this area. So this is the daily, right? So yesterday's candle just closed above 160.177. So it closed above that area, and just hold on, everybody. Okay, so the daily candle closed above 160.177 area. Now the current daily candle went all the way up and rejected all the higher prices, and now it's coming down, right? So we have to look in the lower time frames, like what's happening on the lower time frames and how the 4 hours are printing and everything. So basically 4-hour candle just printed bearish over here, and I think from yesterday there's a so since yesterday, now previous 4-hour candle was the only bearish candle GBP JPY printed over here, right? So that was really necessary for GBP JPY in order to continue to move up. So right now, if we talk about the 4-hour, then this is a resistance created by the 4-hour. And if you talk about support, then obviously support is way down, so we have to look to more lower time frames to see what basically GBP are trying to do. Okay, so if we talk about this 1 hour time frame, then recent area of resistance will be over here, right? So this is the recent area of resistance over here. The market created a support at this place over here as well, right? So the market was consolidating, and once it broke and closed below this area, the next candle did created a higher wick, broke the low and continued to move down, right? So, and what happened over here is now the previous candle closed like a bullish candle, right? And it closed with a rejection on the top. So this is a rejection on the top. So I can say that if the current hourly candle breaks this low, it will be coming down to this level and will be joining this rejection area down over here. So I think, yeah, it has some more potential of moving down, and the range is quite good. We can have some issues over here in this wick, but I think once it starts to drop down, then there will be no problem. So this was all about the 1 hour, and let me just drop a wick a line over here. So this will be my execution point. And if we talk about the 30 minutes time frame over here, then we need to look at the left, because we are assuming that if we break below 159.829 area, then we are gonna go down. But how far we can go down, basically we have to look for that. So by looking at GBP JPY 30 minutes, there is a rejection over here. The market went down, created a support. So this is a formation of a resistance over here, right? And let me just change the music. Okay, so there is a resistance over here up at 160.228, and there is a support down over here at 159.858, right? So the market is between these two ranges. So I can say that above 160.228 we can buy, but where we can sell actually. So once we break below this area, then we need to look at the left. Like, what do we have on the left? So we have this area of support on the left, and the range becomes just 8 pips. So I don't say that I don't think that this is a good idea to take a trade in this at this point, because market can possibly move down like 7-8 pips, then it can reject back, right? So we need to draw another level of support over here, and if we measure out this range, then this range is like 21 pips. So the range is pretty good. We have clean candles, and also there's one more thing, that the market will be definitely moving down in this area by doing a wick fill as well. So that range is not just 21, it's above 21. So the range is pretty good. It's just that we have to wait for a candle to do something which will give us confirmation to execute sells. So I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, 1 hour looks good. Basically, this is rejection zone tapped in this area. Let me just check the 15 minutes as well. Yeah, 15 minute. So basically this area over here, let me just mark it somewhere. 159,753. 159,753 is basically these wicks. So these wicks can create some issues. Okay, so basically we are assuming that below the low, if we break below the wick to the left, it will be definitely coming all the way down. But one more thing, there is one more thing which I cannot, which I have to, look, and that thing is this 1 hour candle closing and how the next 1 hour candle prints. So basically, if the next 1 hour candle wakes up, break the low of the previous one, that will be a nice sell trade. It will come all the way down. First of all, fill these wicks, and once it breaks below this area, then it will be coming down to this level over here, and finally tap 44 pips down. So let's see how this 1 hour candle closes. After that, we can only plan. So yeah, let's see. Also, let's just check the 4 hour as well. So the current 4 hour candle is having 2 hours left to close. So if the market will be coming down, then that means this 4 hour candle will be flipping all the way back down, break its own low, and continue moving down. If that will happen, that means we will be having a deep retracement to the downside. So now we can just wait and watch. Let's see if the next candle drops all the way down, or how does it move basically. So from this level of rejection, the market just came all the way down in this level of rejection. Yeah, I think below this wick there will be no problem in moving all the way down. But yeah, there's no harm in taking a trade early in this place, because it really looks bearish to me. So after the GBP JPY, let's move to the GBP USD. Oh, it's already breaking the low over here. Oh, nice. It will be coming down in this area, but there's no range. The range is not much. Yeah, it really looks like that it's gonna fall down in this area, but let me just look at the daily. Oh, okay. If you look at the left, this is a strong zone. Yeah, the market can tap in this area. 25 pips down. 25 pips down, that means it can fill out all this region over here by coming all the way down in this area. 25 pips will be somewhere around over here. Still got 8 minutes left. Oh, okay. Really looks promising. Let me have a look at 1 minute. Yeah, I really think it will be moving down. I think I should try taking a sell in GBUSD. Sorry. Yeah, because it took the support, it took the resistance from this area, rejection area, and now it should be dropping all the way down, fill out this clean range. If that happens, then definitely it will be going down like few pips. Basically can drop down like 25 pips. So okay, so if this 1 minute candle breaks the low of the previous one, I'm gonna take a sell. Just a sec. Yeah, I took a sell trade over here at this point, keeping stops like in above the current 30-minute high. I really think it will be dropping from here. Exact price is 1.32 172, which is somewhere around in this area. Stops are kept at high of the current 30-minute candle. Take profit is somewhere around like in 10 pips. Yeah, I really think it should fall down from this level, because it's taking rejections from this area, and also the 4-hour really looks promising at this point, because it rejected all the higher prices and it should come all the way down, fill this clean candle, and at least tap this area, which is a rejection zone in daily, I think. Yeah, this daily candle should come down in this area, because we look if we look on the left, then we have huge rejections in this area and then market flips back up. So that's my plan over here. Let's see if it works or not. According to me it should work, but let's see. Oh, it's dropping, guys. Dropping. Oh, 2.3 pips right now as points. So it dropped down like 1.6, 1.7 pips. Yeah, I think it should go all the way down. 3 minutes left for the current candle to close. I really think this 4-hour candle will be continue moving all the way down in this area. And this total range is like 18 pips. Yeah, but we are having trouble somewhere over here. Yeah, but really think that it's gonna fall down. Okay, GJ is also moving down. So I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close in GBP JPY. So let's wait. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close over here. 2 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close. Let's see. Oh, hourly will be closing too. I think it should. I think the next hourly candle should drop down as well. But 15 minutes is having some trouble over here. Let's have a look at the news over here. If there any news today. 1 hour, 3 hour. It's just okay. 1 hour. 20 seconds remaining at this point. Let's see how this candle closes. Okay, so the candle has just closed over here, and the 1 hour candle closed really strong bearish, I can say. I think the current 1 hour candle should drop down also. It will go up a little bit higher, but I think it should be good. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna manage the risk. If this 15-minute candle break up of the high of the previous one, then I'm gonna close half over there. uh, yeah yeah, I'm gonna close half over there. Sorry. So let's see. JPY is I think stuck between a range over here. 1 hour looks like, yeah, it should drop down. 1 hour really looks like Let's see if it creates a higher wick, which is it has already created. Break the low over here. Breaking this low, it should continue moving down in this area. GBP USD is also dropping now. 15-minute candle flipped back down. Oh, nice. It should be continue moving down now, I think. Also GBP JPY also going down at this point. But I'm already in a trade right now, so cannot take a second one with that trade. So I think I should wait at this point. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna manage my stop loss. So I'm gonna put the stops above this high. 1.32237, like in 3-4 pips. Okay, GBP JPY broke the low over here. Let's see now if it continues to move down or what it will be doing. Hello everybody, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, I think you can hear me. Okay, so the trade is running in 4.5 pips over here. Yeah, it should be dropping all the way down. 5 pips tapped at this point. This 30-minute candle should be coming in this area. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close 80%, or basically not 80, yeah, 85% at 10 pips, and I'm gonna let the rest run. So the stops have been reduced, the trade is working good. We are gonna cover the clean range, running in 7 pips. GBP also dropping down, which is really nice. This analysis is also working. Oh, it just tapped 10 pips. Nice. It really went faster than GBP USD. Yeah, 1 hour also looks really nice. So now there is a problem. So market just went down in this area, and we have rejections, and we have rejections over here as well. So we don't know from which point the market will be rejecting. So I have to take the help of the 4-hour time frame in order to see where the market will be possibly pushing. I think if it stays below this area, they need this line to be visible in 15-minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hour. Yeah, so it has to stay below this line. That means this 15-minute candle should be staying below this line. If it goes above or closes above this line, then I'm gonna close everything at break even. Yeah, because because then the market can possibly push the price up, which will eventually kick me out of the trade and give me some losses. So it went literally down like 7 pips, 7.8 pips, but rejecting from this area and rejection like this, I'm really not expecting. So if it goes to break even, I'm gonna close everything. I'm gonna search for another opportunity, but yeah, closing everything at break even would be a good idea. Because if I'm not gaining anything, then I won't be losing anything as well. It's just that we can just wait and expect the market to reverse back down. But looks like the market is having some different plans for me. So from 7.8, now the profit is running like 2 pips. Let's see. No, this is a very, very bad rejection happening right now. It's going up. Closed everything at break even now. So I have closed everything at break even because I'm thinking that the market will be reversing back from here. So I'm not gonna take any chances. Plus 1 minute left for the current candle to close, and this candle can just close above this yellow line, which is really a bad sign. Because look, if you look on the left, then in 15 minutes, look over here, we have huge rejections, right? And market went up from this level. So right now anything can happen. I think I might be looking for now trades in GBP only. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Let's see. I want to see whether it will be hitting 10 pips first or whether it will be going up to hit the stop loss, because now it's coming down below this yellow line. Oh, it's coming down. Okay, 15-minute is about to close over here. So once the next 15-minute candle wakes up, break the low, it should moving down. Yeah, I think it can go up again, so I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait over here. Yeah, it just broke the low. Now traders will be entering the price over here. Now it can move up a little bit. Hmm. Waiting was a very nice decision. And look over here, GBP USD just went all the way down again. $15-minute candle is having like 12 minutes left to close, and I think it will drop down again, and this time there will be a nice drop. Let's look at the left. Now I'm feeling bad about GPUSD. Why I closed everything at break even. It just came down again, and now it will be dropping in this area 100%. Look, it just went all the way down, broke the lows, and it rejected. Nice. This could be a really beautiful trade over here, but so this 30-minute candle is having 9 minutes left to close, and yeah, I think it will drop down again, because once it break its own low, it will be dropping all the way down. I think GBPUSD might just take support from this area, and then it will start to move up. So we might see a bullish rally in GBPUSD very very soon. Okay, JPY is dropping. I'm ready again to take the trade. Took sells again. Took sells over here in JPY, and basically keeping my stops like 10 pips. Because now I think we are gonna see a good drop to the downside. Short position. Took over here, keeping stops at 10 pips. Target over here in 10 pips. 10-11 pips. Closed 50% over here at this point to manage the risk. Yeah, looks like it's going up from this level. So let's see if it drops down now or flips back up. Okay, GPUSD just reached the target level and we are still stuck over here with GPJPY. So basically, if it flips back down and break its own low or the previous candle's low, that clearly means that now the market is getting ready to move down. But if it just goes up again, then I think uh, it will be going up then. So once this candle breaks the low of the previous one, I'm gonna add my positions back and I'm gonna set the stops at high of the current 30-minute candle. So I'm just waiting for the price to break below this area. Okay, it just went down. Took a sell trade in this price range, keeping stops at high over here at 7 pips. So I'm expecting the market to continue moving down from this point. So my stops are over here, and let's see. Because now we have this clean range to cover up, and I think the candle should be falling all the way down from here. So my first position got stopped out like at break even. Now the second one is running over here. Finally. So running in 5 pips right now. So now if it comes back to break even, I'm gonna close half. .5 pips running up. Shifted my stops around over here. 7 pips right now. So at 10 pips, I'm gonna close 80% of the trade. 10 pips over here, closed 80% at 10 pips. Keeping the stops at break even now. So yeah, that was the trade for today. Okay, let me just check. So now this is the runner running, and I'm thinking that this will be going all the way down in this area. So congratulations everybody who just made some profits in this trade. Okay, finally the market is moving now. So running in 12 pips at this point. Okay, let's just check where the market can possibly go. Oh, this 4-hour candle is stretching down. You know, I think this 4-hour candle will be dropping all the way down from here. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, so everybody, I'm gonna call it a day over here. So take care, everyone. Have a great day. Let's meet tomorrow, same time on the streams. So take care, everybody. Have a great day.